name is Simon Aline, and I'm going to explain how to create your own school emergency plan in 6 steps. Before I start, I think it's important to understand what qualifies as an emergency in the school context. Threats to a school may include bombs, chemical spills, intruders, fires, floods, and severe weather. Here are 6 steps to create an emergency plan for your school. Step 1. Designate responsibilities. First, compile a list of teachers, parents, and members in the community to form a school safety committee. Next, determine each person's role and provide training as needed. In most cases, the principal is at the top of the hierarchy. Step 2. Assess the school's compound. Identify potential hazards on and around the school compound. Conduct regular safety audits of the physical plant, including driveways, parking areas, playing fields, outside structures, and fencing. Ensure that fire extinguishers are adequate, as well as school bells, alarms, and PA systems are functioning properly. Step 3. Determine standard operating procedures. For every potential hazard that can occur, there should be a standard operating procedure to help mitigate damage and injury. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies identifies 6 SOPs for school safety during a disaster. Building evacuation. This would most likely be done during fires or other hazards in the building. Assemble and shelter outside to protect students and staff until the all clear is given. Perform a head count to ensure accountability of all students and staff. Evacuate to a safe haven in case of a hazard in the school environment, such as flooding. Shelter indoors when there are dangers outside of school, like a toxic chemical release or severe weather. Lock down the school to keep any threat outside, such as a potential intruder. Reunite students with their families, and remember that students under the age of 16 are only allowed to leave the school or safe haven in the company of a parent or guardian. Step 4. Store disaster supplies. In the event of a school lockdown, due to severe weather, disaster supplies may be needed to sustain students and teachers. Some important supplies to keep at schools are water, canned food, flashlights, batteries, portable radios, first aid kits, cleaning supplies, and toiletries. Cloth masks and hand sanitizers should also be in stock given the current COVID-19 pandemic. Step 5. Create an emergency contact list. Schools should have an easily accessible list of persons and organizations that assist in emergencies. Phone numbers to have on the list include police, fire, ambulance, disaster management agencies, safety committee members, and parents and guardians. Step 6. Write it all down and practice. All SOPs and evacuation routes should be clearly documented in charts or maps to be placed in classrooms and on notice boards throughout the school. If help is needed in this area, the Department of Emergency Management is ready to assist. Finally, students and teachers should perform a series of evacuation drills each school term to keep the emergency plan top of mind. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember to click that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.